So many people are blaming TuneCore because they paid TuneCore and they say TuneCore is a fake publisher. That's why I made that video for anyone who want to publish their songs or intros. Hi, my name is LeoV. I'm an independent artist. I wanted to thank you for your support, but if you didn't subscribe, rate the button. And I'm using a sunglass because the light is hitting right through my eyes. We're gonna talk about why you can't publish your music through TuneCore. When you enter the TuneCore page, there is a pricing page, TuneCore pricing. If you go down, we have 4 options for publishing our music. The first one is free option. We don't want to talk about that. The second one is rising artist. It's $15 and mostly people gonna choose this option, and that's where the problems starts. Because if you read any options, we're gonna understand why people telling TuneCore is a fake publisher. Now we're gonna talk about rising artist, because this is the problem. Rising artist is $15 per year, so unlimited releases to all social platforms. Okay, we are good here. TuneCore rewards master classes, official sales report, schedule your own release date. This is a cool option because you can schedule your music. You can tell that when it's gonna publish that music on Spotify or Apple Music or any other platforms. Unlimited releases to all digital stores, 100% revenue from digital stores. Spotify verified artist checkmark, Apple Music for artist verification, artist revenue splits, customer service response time. It's 3 business days for our option. Okay, now it's challenging time because we have so good stuffs here that we can't have in this option. Store automated, daily trend reports, cover art creator. We don't have these options. We have use your own ISRC, but we don't have access to exclusive partnership, promotional opportunities, pro panels, and expert advice session, custom label name. So all the problem is custom label name, because they don't give you custom label name. They don't give you this option, but they actually open that option and everybody gonna write a label name, and end up the publishing when they want to hit that publish button, there's no publish button just because the custom label name. Now we're gonna publish something to show you how it works. After you sign up to TuneCore, you go into your dashboard and they wrote your name. It is nice. We have an option here, is blue add release. We're gonna hit that. So they ask you, what would you like to release? Single, album, reggaeton. So we want to release a single. It's an intro and it's the beat of my last music, 4PF. If you didn't listen it, listen right now. Maybe here. I don't know. So you're gonna write your title name. Mine is 4PF, and we can say that it's an intro. Main artist, add artist. My name is LeoV. Yes, it found me. So, yes, it's my Spotify. You're gonna hit them because this song is mine. This is the original 4PF of LeoV. Summary. Spotify, your selection will be saved. Apple, your selection will be saved. Thank you. Does this song have explicit lyrics? No, because it's an instrument. Select yes if your release features any explicit content. No, because it's an instrument. So what is your language? It's English. So you can write as hip hop. So we can find it up here. Hip hop, rap. You can choose hip hop again, or R&B, or what you want to write. So release date. You can write the release date and it's very good. My advice is release your music 2 weeks after you hit that publish button, because any platform can get ready for your music. But it's an instrument and it's not important for me. So today is 13 August and it's not important, I'll leave it here. Release time 12 a.m. in the listener's time zone, or 12 a.m. EST New York, and at the same time across all countries. Previously released? No. Okay, we came to advanced distribution features. So this is very messed up. Label name, optional. They opened that label name for you to write it. I don't know why they did that. Because if you write the label name, you cannot see the publish button. So we're gonna write the label name to just show you how it works. My label is Genius Magic. Recording location is optional, we'll leave it free. Can this release be sold worldwide? Yes, it can. UPC EAN codes, you write it for me. So save, release, and add song. Processing. Alright, in this page you can see some information about your music at the top. And they wrote incomplete. So this is the stores. You're gonna add the stores. Delivered to all current digital stores. Yeah. So Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Pandora, Deezer, iHeartRadio, Napster. Okay. So we're gonna save. You add more stores to your release rate. Since you're delivering to more places, there are additional requirements you need to complete or consider. Social platforms. So you can edit this and add TikTok or Instagram or your YouTube page. So it's a monthly paid option for you. You can choose it, but I don't want. Before you upload your song, please make sure that files are in an accepted format. The serial WAV files in 24-bit. Okay. Song artists and creatives. It's my name. Role is main artist. Copyright ownership required. Is this a cover version of another song? No, it's mine, man. Additional information, instrumental. This song has no lyrics. Yes, I'm gonna hit that. So this is our ISRC number. So we're gonna save. So upload the stereo. I brought first my Lamborghini through the hood. I made that motherfucker face that now look really good. They was sad but now bored, every should be good. Mother eating lobsters, he's always in the mood. Okay, we're gonna hit that upload stereo. When it's uploading, we're gonna to artwork. I already have artwork. Upload your artwork. Your file must be smaller than 10 megabyte. It must be at least 1600 pixels. Okay, we're gonna upload our artwork. Distribute with plan. It's all information about this song. So you have not the publish button, and I told you to not write the label name. So you can see here artist name, release date, label name, and this is the problem. All we have to do is delete the label name. So we go back to first page and we delete the label name. I remove the label name. So save, release. Again, processing. So now we have ready and it's green. Before that we had incomplete page. So we came to last page and this is the magic happens. Release music, and we almost have it bottom of the page. So after you hit that release music, they're gonna start to publish it. You're opt in to TuneCore Accelerator. Awesome. So when you go back to your dashboard, you can see that your music is processing. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to help people who want to publish their music via TuneCore. Rate that like button too, cause it helps this video so much. Have a good night, a good day, and a good night. See you next